watching a 4 stars of living in this unique environment now residential oasis properties like family location landmarks and resources. As you can see on the screen, the property location, fire exits and landmarks are also provided here. You can have a lot of views of this property on hotel.com. Size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Category 6. And payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you.